Miss you. It's Kathleen. I'm just hanging out here with my bear friends at their bear cave. Yep, they have a bear cave. Bears love bear caves because they can go inside them and stay safe and warm. It's really just a blanket fort that you can make at home with pillows and blankets. So my bear friends, whenever they have big feelings, and we all have big feelings, like scared, or mad, or sad, or even wiggly, or tired, you can take a break in your very own bear cave. It's a blanket and pillow fort, and you'll feel calm and safe. What was that, Bear? Oh, yes, so bears all wanted to tell me that you can also give yourself a bear hug. Squeeze and relax. Squeeze and relax. Squeeze and relax. That makes bear bodies and human bodies feel better. So until next time, I think I'm going to take a break in the bear cave. I'll see you next time. Bye.